Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Jenny Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about another Estee Lauder product. It's been a long time since I do an Estee Lauder product review. It's not a brand that I usually go for my own skincare routine, mainly because I just find the Estee Lauder products are a bit pricey for what they really are. So that's my general take on the Estee Lauder skincare products. But anyway, I got given this sample here, and this is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel-Creme. So it's a very long name. Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel-Creme. It also says Synchronized Multi-Recovery. So yeah, it's an extremely long name. So basically this is an eye cream. Supercharged, advanced, blah blah. You know, they like to give that type of name to the products. This is an eye cream, basically. And I got given a 5 ml sample. So the texture is more gel-like instead of like a white cream. Can you see? It's like a thick gel. It's like a thick honey. Yeah, it's really quite sticky actually. It's easily absorbed. I just find it a bit sticky. It's thick, sticky gel. And the scent has got a citrus scent, which is rather nice. So it's not perfumey scent, but more like an orangey citrus scent. But as with any Estee Lauder product, let's look at the price. Estee Lauder products are available at the Farmers Department store, the Mecca stores, and it's also available online. So you don't have trouble buying any Estee Lauder products. And for this one here, for 15 ml for this eye cream is $160. So it's very pricey for an eye cream. Yeah, I know Estee Lauder skincare products are not cheap, and that's why I'm not a fan of them. So 15 ml, $160, very pricey. And let's look at the ingredients. It's got the Bifida Ferment Lysate. The Estee Lauder brand really loves using the Bifida Ferment Lysate. They are anti-inflammatory, they are calming ingredients. But it really doesn't fix your fine lines and wrinkles or fix your dark spots and age spots. Dimethicone, lavender flower extract, sodium hyaluronate, lactobacillus ferment is really a good bacteria for the skin. Tocopherol, lentil fruit extract, watermelon fruit extract, caffeine, squalane, and so forth. So as you can see from the list of ingredients, it's got a whole lot of mixing products, a few fruit seed oil, and of course the usual Bifida Ferment Lysate and the lactobacillus ferment filtrate. Those are the calming, anti-inflammatory ingredients. So it really calms your skin. If you've got sensitive skin, those two ingredients will calm your skin. But looking at the list of ingredients, none of it is going to fix any spots around your eyes, fix any wrinkles and fine lines. Yeah, I know there are many other eye creams that out there that would equally have those ingredients at a much cheaper price. Yeah, I'm sorry to say this is quite an overpriced product. I have applied it for a few nights. I find it rather sticky. I don't enjoy using it. It's just quite sticky. I really don't see any of my fine lines, or wrinkles around my eyes being diminished or any spots around my eyes being faded. So yeah, sorry Estee Lauder. Again, I find that this product is a bit overpriced for what it really is. I'll list down below some of my favorite eye creams and you can check them out, and they come at a much lower price. But this product here, again for 15 ml for that $160 is extremely expensive, and hasn't even got any retinaldehyde or vitamin C or any ingredients that would actually do something for your skin. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!